Since the launch of ICE Network, which would later change their name to ICE Open Network, it's been difficult to find another project under that blockchain that has actually done well. They have launched other projects, Seal Send, some Waves, and a couple of others. Some even went on to launch, but they didn't do well. So now the Online Plus is live. I think they've been talking about this project for a while now. They've even released a beta version, and now it's finally live. I downloaded this app, I installed it some time ago, but I uninstalled it, and somehow I keep seeing it on my timeline as other crypto enthusiasts talk about it, and I've decided to come back and install it again. Let me hit the install button, and while that's going on, let's check the about this app page. Social Meets Web3 is a next generation social app combining powerful Web3 infrastructure with simplicity and familiarity of a modern social experience designed for creators, communities, and everyday users. Online Plus offers a seamless way to connect, share, and interact without giving up ownership or control. The ICE Open Network project set out really well. I think they did distribution twice, and we were able to make some good money, but then they got greedy. They felt like they were giving out too much, and then as we speak, we don't even know, are we ever going to get what we have left? Yeah, that's the question, because as it stands, we are not sure. We don't know any. They don't even talk about it. They don't even talk about the distribution no more. I still have the ICE app on my device. There is no login. There's no feature for login, right? So look at this right here. It's very stale. This is like how old is this? ICE mining activity has ended as we gear up for the mainnet launch on October 7, 2024. That's like a year ago. All right, keep the app installed for exclusive updates and early access to mainnet app. Well, I've kept it installed. So what's up? These are the exchanges where the project is said to have listed, and according to legends, they say since the launch of the Online Plus, the ICE token is doing quite well. All right, so the download is completed. Let's launch it. So this is your Online Plus identity key name. Really? Do I have an account here yet? Let's go with register. So register with a pass key. No password to remember. Works across your devices. Stronger account protection. Well, let's choose an identity key name. It says verify with pass key. So now profile customization. Choose a name, nickname, who invited you. So endeavor to use my invite code. I'll leave that for you in the pinned comments of the video, in the description box, and also on the Telegram page. Now you select language, click on continue. So now you have to discover creators. You can follow. Let's follow a couple of them. And then click on continue. You verify with the pass key. Turn on notifications. Receive notifications when you transfer and receive funds. Continue. Allow. Alright, so I guess we are in. So what's up? This is the home page. You can see it's a social media platform, obviously. You can see people's posts just like on Facebook and most of them that you see out there. Let's explore. What do we have here? So this way you can chat. You can start a message with any one of the users. In the middle, okay, start conversation. We have a wallet symbol here. I'm saying ION wallet. And then there's the manage wallet there. So the different coins on the portfolio that you can transact in. You know, a whole lot of coins that you know can be transacted in here. The ICE Open Network BNB and so on and so forth. And we have this here. So this is your profile where you can see all that you have done, including your posts, your replies, your videos and articles. Online Plus, social media platform, right? So are we going to be earning as we use the platform? That's what I'm curious to know about right now. So other features here can be found here. You go top right, you tap on that. So there is the following, the feed, videos, articles, and for you. So you can still on this profile here, you can click on the three dots here, click on settings. So you can find your account security. Under security, you can actually back up your wallet, your email address, authenticator, your phone number, right? Secure your account, back it up, and enable at least 1 2FA options, right? So it's recommended that you do the 2FA. So you have 3 options: phone number, email, and Google Authenticator. You can do all of them if you want, and backup as well. Backup your wallet is very important. On the settings again, there's a push notification, privacy policy, terms and conditions. You just need to read here. And basically, account, you can edit your profile, block users. You can find a list of your blocked users, and if you want to edit your profile, you go here. Maybe probably you want to write about you, write a bio and stuff. That's where you can do that. So what am I looking for right now? I want to know if I invite you, I guess my username is what you're going to provide. Yes, so if I invite you, use my username for the invite code, right? I guess that would be it. So here on the Eyes Open Network official Twitter page, they shared this 9 hours ago. Get ready for monetization on Online Plus. Soon creators and users will start earning based on their activity and impact across the platform. So they want to go monetizing just like Facebook. My question remains, what about our Eyes tokens? Are we ever going to get it? Here's what we count towards your rewards: time spent on the app, engagement on your posts, likes, comments, shares, content quality and originality, verified creator status, referral invites, community contributions, reporting spam, feedback. Start inviting people under your referral today to boost your future rewards once monetization goes live. Register now on Online Plus and secure your spot. So there you have it. Monetization is coming. Online Plus is live and the world is taking note. The movement toward decentralized social media is only just beginning. To be honest, these guys, they have tried other stuff and failed at them. Like Dr. X, right? The Dr. X project was a monumental flop. And then they did other stuff like Coldflint, Sunwaves, among others that didn't quite see the light. So I think this is just another trial. But the ICE network project is doing well. Maybe they just want something, they just want to try other things, and then they can't just replicate the success they got from ICE open network project. So I don't know. I just hope the online project goes on to become something to write home about, because the rest are flops. So guys, let's give them the chance, right? You've seen the requirements, the things that will count towards your earnings. So monetization is not yet live, but it's coming soon. So get ready for it. If you're a content creator, I don't think this will be far different from what you've been doing on Facebook. So just get your original content. I think the same content shared on Facebook can actually be shared here. I mean, your content on your page, you can share it here. I'm not talking about going about copying people's content, right? I think as far as content creation is concerned, originality is key, very important. So that's it on online. Let's check their Twitter page if they have any. I don't think they have a Twitter page yet. So all the updates concerning Online Plus have been shared on the Eyes Open Network official Twitter page. So there you have it, guys. Use my invite code during registration and use it. Those posts you'll be making on Facebook, you can as well post them here on the online app. So follow me, guys, and I'll follow you right back. So thanks. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.